Vanakkam. Now I'll show you some simple range jacquard sarees. They're mostly in thread jacquard. And the first one is in this simple pink with peach in the body with a pink thread border, a gold cherry pallu, the self-colored jacquard blouse. And the cost of this saree is 15,000. Next is this bottle green jacquard saree, and this is a dark bottle green that has been shot with black. So the backdrop is a dark green with a black jacquard design, and this beautiful Araku border, gold cherry pallu, and a jacquard blouse. Cost of this saree is 15,000. This is a nice yellow saree with a light yellow jacquard saree with a contrast pink border and gold cherry pallu. This has got the contrast jacquard blouse. The cost of the saree is 15,000. This is a beautiful color. This one is pink that's shot with peach, and so it comes out with in this design with this simple traditional border in jari, pallu and gold jari, and the jacquard blouse. The cost of this saree is 11,000. This is another beautiful jacquard saree, and this one has got the dark red and mixed with the mustard, so it's got this look with the mustard border in gold jari, and the pallu is in gold jari with this mustard blouse. So it's a very simple, classy look. The cost of this is 12,000. This is a beautiful cream with brown mix in this body. It's got this very subtle look, and it's got this coffee color border and pallu as contrast with the contrast blouse with the jacquard. The cost of this is 11,800. This is of the same concept. This is another jacquard saree with the lines and the small butties. So it's got this beautiful look. This one is actually a green that's shot with orange. So it's a very good look with the contrast orange border, orange pallu, and this jacquard orange blouse. And the cost of this is 11,800. So these sarees can be worn for any occasion. It's simple, but they definitely stand out because of the jacquard. The color combinations are subtle, and this is another coffee brown color and a very subtle combination with the green only in the selvage and a plain traditional pallu with the contrast green blouse. So it's a good combination. The cost of this is 11,800. So this entire range is of the price of 11,800. This is a green color. It's the same concept, same design concept, and it's got the contrast olive green border with this contrast pallu and this beautiful jacquard blouse. This is 11,800 too. This is a nice dark green color, and it's not your bottle green. It's a beautiful shade, and it's got the contrast gray border and the gray pallu with this jacquard blouse. The cost of this is 11,800. This is a beautiful royal blue with cream shot, and it's got this look. It's with the contrast green border and pallu with the contrast blouse in jacquard. The cost of this is also 11,800. This is a Rani pink saree. It's a nice bright pink and very subtle with the contrast green. This is a parrot green, the contrast pallu, and this jacquard blouse that's got the combination of green and pink, so it looks very nice. The cost of that saree is 11,800. This is a purple base saree with the green design that's on the jacquard, and it's got a plain border in gold zari with the green selvage, a gold zari pallu, and this bright green jacquard blouse. The cost of this is 11,800. All the sarees that we are going to be showing you till the end is going to be 11,800. And this is a blue, light blue base, and there is coffee brown that's run with it. So it's got this beautiful look, and it's a self-colored border and pallu with this beautiful green selvage. It's got the bright blue uh, jacquard blouse. This is a nice dark blue base with a light blue that is used in the jacquard design. So it goes subtle, and the contrast dark blue border and the dark blue pallu. It's got the contrast dark blue jacquard blouse. This is an Araku base with the orange jacquard design. Beautiful saree, traditional color combination, and a self-colored border and pallu with the jacquard blouse. The only difference is that the design used in the blouse is different from the body, so it's nice. This is a unique color. This is a color that's right in between Araku and purple with the jacquard design and a small border with the green gold zari pallu and jacquard blouse. This is a beautiful light green sari and very subtle. It's all the self-colored jacquard design and there's a contrast selvage in green, a plain pallu and a self-colored jacquard blouse. There's a nice dark royal blue with the self-colored jacquard design and a contrast border that's short with rust color, sorry, mustard color. And this is the contrast pallu with the contrast blouse with the jacquard. This is a beautiful green and mustard combination, and it's got the geometric design with a simple border, mustard selvage with this jacquard blouse, the self color. This is the last saree for today, and this one has got the geometric design. The geometric design, so it's the blue base that's been shot with this dark mustard and got a beautiful look with a mustard border and pallu, and the blouse is this jacquard mustard contrast blouse. The cost of this saree is 11,800. So the last 10 or 15 sarees are all 11,800. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do give us your feedback. Thank you.